So MATLAB or Matrix Laboratory is a high-performance programming language and interactive computing platform used for algorithm development, data visualization, and numerical computation. It is widely used in engineering for designing and simulating feedback control system, providing tools to analyze stability, tune PID controllers, and simulate closed-loop performance. So, good day everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to simulate the transfer function to state space and vice versa, which is state space to transfer function. So first, I'm gonna put here convert transfer function to state space. Then here, so convert transfer function to state space. Second is CLC, shift enter, clear all, shift enter, close all. No? Then shift enter here. We're gonna put this num, means numerator. So numerator is equal to 24. The coefficient of so by the way, our g of s, our function is g of s is equal to 24s cubed plus 9s squared plus 26s plus 24. So I forgot, I'm sorry. So second, we're gonna put the denominator. Denominator is we're gonna put here the coefficient of our denominator, which is 1, 9, 26, and 24. No? And shift enter, since our function is g, so we're gonna put g of s or g equals transfer function tf, open parenthesis, numerator and denominator,
Yes.
close parenthesis, shift enter, here open bracket a, b, c, d, and close bracket. So means muna itong pangitaon, a, b, and c og d. A represent system matrix, b represent the input matrix, c represent the output matrix, and d represent the feed forward matrix. So muna itong pangitaon. So equal na to transfer function tf to state space, meaning tf to state space or ss. So open parenthesis, num og denominator, no? Close parenthesis. So mora na atong coding. Then ato nang, if ato na enter, makuha na to ang pila nga yang value sa state space gikan sa transfer function padung sa state space. So double check ta, CLC, clear all, numerator, our numerator, coefficient of numerator is 24, and denominator, coefficient of denominator 1, 9, 26, and 24. Then g, which is g ang atong function, g is equal to transfer function tf, numerator, then denominator. So a, b, c, d equal transfer function, which is atong gi-convert ang transfer function to state space, numerator, denominator. So atong enter if sakto ba siya. So as you can see, continuous time transfer function. So model properties. So ang atong ADI, which is system matrix, kay negative 9, negative 26, negative 24, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So, if atong i-recall atong kanang, if mano-manohan na to, sakto gid siya, di ba? Kaning negative 24, ni stand ni siya sa, ato lang i-assume nga, ang atong variables kay, state variables kay x1, x2, x3. So, kaning negative 24 man ang atong x1, x2, x3. Then ang kaning 1 1 meaning mo ni ang x3 and x1. So atong B which is nagpresent sa input matrix 1 0 0 and C is 0 0 24 which means output. So 24 man ang atong output, di ba? To ganina. So 24 na nagbutan dira. Then D na to wala tay feed forward matrix. So as you can see, sakto ra ang ato ang pag-simulate gikan sa transfer function to state space. So moving forward, moving on, balhin ta sa state space to transfer function. So ito nang kapihon, nasa oras na ako. So unsa ni pagkuan? So ato nang i-clear all, no? Clear all. Clear command all. So next, state space to transfer function. So I'm gonna put convert para may baon gina to unsa itong gi-convert. Convert state space bali na ta vice versa, state space to transfer transfer function, no? Transfer function. Then shift enter. So dire nagyapon na yung CLC. Then shift enter, clear all. Kani siya guys, shortcut man ni siya ang clear all o close all. So pwede ra pa nato i-clear o i-close all, no? Then here, di ba, state space to transfer function. So ang atong i-input dire, ibutang nato dire katunang naka state space form. So di ba ang atong A, ibutang tag equals bracket which is -9 itong ganina, -9 -26, no? -26 og -24. -24 then close bracket. Then human di pa na nato i-close bracket. Ato sunod na kay atong inani on. So meaning ana nana siya sa ubos, naka row na siya, by row na siya ang gamit ani. So 1 0 0 then butangan mo gani. Then 0 1 and 0 then close bracket. So mo na ang ato ang system matrix. A is equal to -9, -26, -24, 1 0 0. Kani means ani naka column na siya. Then next shift enter B. Unsa may atong input? So B is equal to 1 means naka ato nang by row. So atong gamiton ka pa nato ana 1 0 then 0. Gets ra mo? Di ba? Di ba if nakainan ni naka by row na siya. So 1 0 0 then atong naon. So kani means ani naka by row siya. So shift enter. So ang ato ang input po nato sa atong C. C na to kay ito na C. C is output matrix. So atong C kay 0 og 24, no? So as you can see wala na ta nagamit og atong tuldok kama kay dili naman na by row, column naman one column na rin So close bracket, then D, atong D is D is equal to feed forward. So atong feed forward this equation is 0. So 0 0. So here and next is so dire na numerator, denominator, then close bracket, equate nimo into di ba ganina transfer function to state space. So kani state space to transfer function. So SS to TF, right? SS to TF. Then open bracket A B A A B C and D, right? So close parenthesis and comma. So ano siya? Numerator, denominator, state space to transfer function A, B, C, D, and D. But I forgot to put here 1. 1 represent the 1 because we're dealing with single output. So meaning if single output siya, usara na dira. 'Di ba? Ang atong output kay 24 man. So wala siya kanang wala siya nakalaing wala siya S ba na. So 1 ra siya, so single output. So shift enter G si sa atong gipangita, G is equal to transfer function TF open parenthesis num and then denominator. So close, then here so kwanta kanang atong i-reviewon kung sakto ba jud. So convert state space to transfer function, sakto. CLC clear all, close all, natay A, which is A represent the system matrix. B sakto ni siya, negative 9, negative 26, negative 24, 100, 010, B is equal to 101, no? 01, then C is equal to output matrix 0024, then D is equal to so numerator, denominator is equal to SS to transfer function A, B, C, D, 1, then G is equal to transfer function numerator, denominator. So ato enter if sakto ba jud. So as you can see, sakto ang nigawas, di ba? Ato gamit gayon na is G of S is equal to 24 divided by S cube plus 9S squared plus 26 plus 24. So meaning ang atong pag-simulate sakto ra siya. So that's all. Wala na kailangang masulti. That's all. Thank you.